Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video I will show you two very easy ways of extracting text from a photo or an image or a picture on your iPhone. So from my Photos app, I will open the photo I want to use or I want to extract the text from. When I open it, I will tap on the text scanner icon for it to turn blue, and from there you can highlight the text and then copy the text. When you copy the text, you can then take it wherever you want to. I'll, in my case, paste it in my notes app, so you can see that I've successfully copied the text from the photo and then pasted it in my notes app. So that is the first way you can copy text from a photo. So another way of doing this is by using the Google Gemini app or the Microsoft Copilot app on your iPhone. So in my case, I'm going to use the Google Gemini. So when you have the application installed, tap on the plus sign, tap on photos, and then I'm going to use the same photo I used in the earlier demonstration. So I'll select that photo again. After selecting it, I'll tap the blue check mark to load it into the Gemini application, and then I'm going to ask Gemini to extract the text from this photo for me. So I'll just type, "Hi, extract the text in this photo," and then Google Gemini will just do the rest for you. It will extract the text from the photo, and from there you can use the copy option down there. Tap on it to copy the text, or you can tap and hold on the text you want to copy or extract. Tap and hold it, select what you want to copy or extract, tap the copy option, and then you can from there paste it wherever you want to use that particular text. So again, I'll copy it and then paste it in my notes app just as I did before. So paste, tap and hold, paste it, and then it's as easy as that. So yes guys, I took you through two ways to extract text from a photo or a picture. Kindly subscribe, like, and share the video for more of such videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.